Let's make some Halloween pumpkin pancakes with bat's blood fizz. First thing we need, cooking pumpkin. Cut your pumpkin into thumb-sized pieces. Pumpkin pieces into your saucepan, cover with just enough water, then set them to simmer until they're soft. When your pumpkin's nice and soft, just drain it and let it cool. Put the cooled pumpkin into the food processor and then just blitz it until it's a puree. And now we'll add the rest of the ingredients. First thing we need is golden caster sugar. That's in here. Those drawers are absolutely brilliant. Then into the spice rack, salt, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, and allspice. We've got 220 grams of plain flour here, into that. 3 tablespoons of golden caster sugar, a good twist of salt, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of allspice. So now all the dry ingredients into the pumpkin puree, 3 eggs, melted butter, and then one final ingredient, buttermilk, and that's in the fridge. That swivel shelf is brilliant. 150 ml of buttermilk. Frying pan on the induction hob, set that to a medium heat, and when the butter is foaming, that's when we can make the pancake. The batter can go into a piping bag, and that way we can make our pumpkin shape. So grab a knife from the knife drawer, there we go. Cut the end of the piping bag, and now I'm going to attempt to make a pumpkin shape. Go round in a circle, we'll put the eyes in, then we'll do the mouth, and then we'll fill in the gaps. Turn the heat up just a little bit at this stage if you want to, and then I'll just open up the eyes and the mouth again as the batter starts to set. Now the pancake is ready to flip when you see little bubbles appearing. Here's how we flip the pancake. There we go. The pancake's ready. Raspberry coulis, mango and passion fruit coulis. Pop that into a little bowl here. Strawberries that I've just chopped, pomegranate seeds here. Give that a little mix round, and then we'll spoon this in here as if the pumpkin's been sick. The adults might not like it, but your kids will love it. Now we need something to drink. First thing, ice. Make sure you get plenty of ice in the glasses. Then you can use lemonade, cream soda. I've got fizzy elderflower. And finally, the bat's blood. Into the fridge. I love these detachable containers. Here we've got a syringe with some raspberry coulis in it. One goes in there, one goes in there. And then when you're ready, give it a little stir, and there we go. Halloween pumpkin pancakes and bat's blood fizz.